Hello everyone, I'm Lorem, and today I'm going to be doing a short tutorial to show off my procedural potion generation tool built using geometry nodes in Blender 3.3, although it works with the newly released Blender 3.5. So as you can see, it's capable of generating a pretty wide variety of different potions, and you can have them be with stoppers and without, as well as with potions and without. So if you want just like an empty glass bottle, you can make that. And the geometry is pretty good, especially I think for being created with geometry nodes. So as you can see, there's like no artifacting or anything going on around the nozzle, which took a lot of work. All right, so let's start with the tutorial. And I do recommend you be in cycles for this. It doesn't really work in Eevee like at all. So make sure you're in cycles. I have it set to GPU compute. Do what you want. All right, so first things first, let's create any new piece of geometry. We can isolate it and then add a geometry nodes modifier and set it to potion gen. And then we've got this pretty basic default potion. So our first input over here is potion type, and this is really important. Potion type, there's 3 different types, and 0 is going to be a cube, 1 is going to be a sphere, and then 2 is going to be a Bezier. And so certain other inputs only work with certain potion types. For example, potion 0 is a cube, so down here cube resolution changes the resolution of that cube, but it does not affect potion types 1 or 2. Okay, so we'll just leave this at potion type 2 and then we can move on. So potion resolution changes the resolution of our potion. It's exactly what it sounds like. And the resolution, it affects the resolution of the stopper, the nozzle, and the potion itself. And then we can choose whether or not we want the stopper and whether or not we want the potion there. But we'll leave both of them enabled just for the time being. Now we can move on to all of our stopper settings. There's quite a few of them. So let's see, do we want it to be subdivided? I think no. I think we'll leave it as it is. So, and then if we did want to subdivide it, we could change the edge crease if we wanted a nice hard edge. But we'll leave it unsubdivided and work with that. And then we can change the profile of it. I think I would actually like to have it kind of come in a bit, and then we can raise it up with the offset, and then we can set the flare. So we want it to be just kind of with a little bit of a flare. I think I'll actually bring it up a little bit more as well. And then we'll maybe bring it down a bit. Yeah, something like that is fun. And then we can change the travel, which is how far down the stopper goes. So, and you can have it be, not at all or all the way down. But I think we'll leave it, yeah, something like that. That's fun. That's good. All right, so next up we've got cube resolution. Cube resolution, again, only affects cube type potions. So if we want to have a very low poly cube, we can do that. And if we want a very high poly cube, we can also do that. All right, so we'll leave this as a cube for now, and then we can take a look at bottle size. So bottle size lets us change the 3-dimensional vector that is assigned to the size of the potion. So if we want to have a really short and squat potion, we can do that. And if we want it to be really tall, we can also do that. The world is your oyster. And then if we wanted to make this nozzle bigger, we could also do that. But I think we'll leave it as pretty small for now. And if we set this to 2 again, we can see that the bottle opening size changes the entire width of the potion, just because of how the Bezier works. Now we'll leave this on potion type 2, and then we can have some fun with the Bezier, because this is where things get really interesting. Yeah, there we go. So for Bezier bottom, the X value determines how far out the Bezier handle goes. the y value determines like the curvature of it. So we can see as we adjust this, it the bottom kind of curves out. It also, widens, but it curves as it does so. And then the z determines how far up that handle is. So if we don't want it to be, necessarily at the bottom, we can do that. And now we can also affect the top of the Bezier. So we'll go ahead and bring that up so that it's, actually affecting the top of our bottle. And then we can, and then we can change the size of that handle. So if you have both the top and the bottom going at once, you can get some pretty cool effects. And then there's also shade smooth, if you want to shade it smooth. That one is kind of self-explanatory. There's also nozzle height. I think I forgot to go over that. Nozzle height lets you control the height of the nozzle. So, if you want to have a really tall potion, you can do that. Although I think we'll keep it like that, and then I think I want to change the stopper travel so that it isn't going quite as far. And yeah, that's a fun little potion. Although I think we can bring this out a bit, and then bring the resolution up, and yeah, that's fun. So this also comes with several textures: potion health, potion mana, one for the stopper and one for the glass. So if we go ahead and take a look at the potion health, it's really, really simple. And you can, change the color to be whatever you like. And then because all of these use the same texture, the texture updates as you update it. So if you want to have like a, orange potion, you can do that. All right. You can download this for free and then use it in personal or commercial works. That's cool with me. Feel free to modify it however you like, do whatever you want, and it's available for free on my Gumroad. Link in the description. All right. Hopefully this helped you, and if you make anything cool with it, I would love to see it. All right. Y'all have a great day.